If your fridge looks like a produce stand and a chicken farm had a party, you're in luck. We're making chicken tortilla soup. First, grab a big old pot and heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Toss in 1 chopped onion and cook until it's soft and see-through, about 5 minutes. Now, add 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 minced jalapeno. Things are heating up. Cook for another minute until it's all fragrant and delicious. Next, it's spice time. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Let those spices toast for about a minute. Pour in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. Give it a good stir. Bring this beautiful mix to a boil, then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's add the goodies. Stir in 1 can of black beans and a cup of corn. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Finish strong by adding 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Serve up your masterpiece in bowls and top with tortilla strips, avocado slices, shredded cheese, sour cream, fresh cilantro, and lime wedges. Enjoy your zesty, hearty chicken tortilla soup.